Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to remove blend feature in Instagram. First of all, open your Instagram, tap on the Instagram chat icon and go where you want to remove the blend feature. Inside the chat, tap on the blend icon in the top of the screen, and now you will see some reels, and at the top of the screen, tap on settings icon and select leave this blend. Now the blend feature will be removed, and that's it guys. This is the whole video. I hope you like it. Please leave me your like and subscribe also, and thank you for watching and see you next video.